Hello and welcome to the KS3 Computer Science and IT Information Evening video. Today we'll be going through what is covered in Year 7, 8 and 9 here at Cotham in Computer Science and IT, and we'll also be talking about how your child can best succeed in the Computer Science and IT curriculum. So starting off with Year 7, in Year 7 there is one lesson per fortnight, and we start in Term 1 and 2 with the computer systems topic. This is an introduction to the computer systems that we use at Cotham and some basic skills to succeed while you are here. In Term 3, we move into some programming. We're going to learn about some basic ideas behind programming, like computational thinking, sequence, selection, and iteration. We're going to do this in Small Basic, which is a programming language that is nice and easy to learn. Term 4 is data representation. In this, we're going to discover how computers represent information and what we mean when we say the word binary. In Term 5 and 6, we're going to look at basic IT, and we will build on the work from Term 1 and 2 to understand how to use new technologies safely. In Term 1 of Year 8, so moving into Year 8, we get 2 lessons per fortnight, and in Term 1 we start with hardware. We're going to learn about the physical components that make up a computer. In Term 2, we're going to look at image editing and how to manipulate images and create interesting and new pictures using industry standard technology. In Term 3, we're going to take a look at digital literacy and understand the ethical, moral, and legal problems that computers have created and how we can use them safely. In Term 4, we return to that topic from Year 7, data representation, and we're going to develop our understanding of the binary number system and how computers represent information. We're going to look at things like how computers represent text and images. In Term 5, we're going to take a look at spreadsheets, which are an industry-leading technology that are used in almost every workplace to process data, and we're going to set our students up so that they've got a good grasp of how this technology works. In Term 6, we're going to take a look at Construct 3, which is a programming language that will allow us to develop our computational thinking skills through the creation of a version, that should say, of the video game Asteroids. In Year 9, we're going to take a look again at spreadsheets, build on last year's knowledge, and use more complex tools to present information in a clear and understandable manner. In Term 2, we're going to return again to small basic programming, and we're going to develop those programming skills so that we can be prepared for GCSE for those students who want to pursue that pathway. In Term 3, we're going to take a look at networks and the internet and understand how computers communicate and how the internet has shaped our world. In Term 4, we are once again returning to data representation and that old idea of binary. And we're going to take a look at how computers represent information, in particular things like how do they perform maths in binary. In Term 5, we will take a look at something called Flowol that will understand what a flowchart, and we will understand what a flowchart is and how they can be used to develop our understanding of systems. And then to finish our time in Key Stage 3, we're going to take a look at cybersecurity. Here we will look at core digital security issues, and we're also going to carry out an investigation into a crime. How to be successful then? Well, the main way to be successful is to make sure you're engaged with our website, this Computer Science and ICT at Cotham website. It has all of the resources from Year 7 all the way up to A-level linked on it. Here is an example of a do now task that students are expected to complete at the start of every lesson. And here is an example of one of the quizzes that we bookend our lessons with. So as students enter, they complete a starter quiz, refreshing them on what they covered last lesson. And we finish every lesson with a conclusion quiz. And we keep track of those to make sure students aren't falling behind and can understand the work that they've done. If you want to support your child, the best way to do that is through our website, this website here. Your student can access that through their Cotham account. All of the resources, all of the quizzes that we've covered in lesson are available through this website, as will be the homeworks, which are going to be issued once every 2 weeks. Thank you very much for your time. This has been the Computer Science and ICT Key Stage 3 Information Evening video. Thank you very much.